Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to analyze and review these two blenders. And as you can see on this picture, I have the Ninja blender and I also have the Silver Crest blender. If you have been following me and if you have been watching my videos, I've made a lot of videos about Silver Crest blender, and I also made a video analyzing and comparing between the Silver Crest blender and Kenwood blender. Then today I decided to bring on board a different blender entirely, which is called a Ninja blender, and I want to review these two blenders and put comparison to see which of these blender is better. I want to analyze their prices, their cost, and everything about these two blenders. At the end of this video, you're going to understand which of these blender that you can go for. You are going to understand which of the blenders that you see here is better. That's exactly what I want to talk about in this video today. Let me delve into this tutorial, this video. As you can see here, this is a professional blender and it is 1000 watts that you're seeing here. It is 1000 watts. So when you come to Silver Crest blender, it is actually 3000 watt here. But does that mean that Silver Crest blender 3000 watt is greater than this? That is a question a lot of people will be asking in their mind right now. But what I want to talk about is that the 3000 watt of Silver Crest blender that you always see written on the body is not the actual wattage of the motor. It is just the speed of the regulator of this Silver Crest blender. So do not be confused when you see a little wattage written on this Ninja. It doesn't really matter. The actual wattage of this blender, this Silver Crest, is also between 1000 to 1500. Some are even 600 watts. I'm talking about the motor wattage. But the 3000 watt you always see is just the speed. The turning point, the speed of this blender is what you see. So between these two blenders, which one is better? That is the question that we want to answer. And their cost, I am also going to talk about their cost. This blender you're seeing here, this Ninja, is made in US, and this blender that you're seeing here, Silver Crest, is a Chinese product. And as you all know, a lot of people always think that American products is more superior to Chinese products, which I totally disagree. I totally disagree in the sense that as you can see this product right now, a lot of these American products are manufactured in China. China are the ones producing most of the American products as we speak today, because they have a very high level of workforce in China. So their cost of producing anything is cheaper than what you produce in US. So a lot of American companies are trooping into China to produce and to manufacture their products. So if you go to China and you buy a product directly from China, the one themselves are using over there in China, and if you compare it with the American products, it has the same standard. It's the same quality, the same standard. The one that they bring to Africa and and any other part of the third world countries are the ones that most times you see fake ones among them. It is actually fake because it is the same people that go to China to tell them to reduce the quality. So you're not going to blame the Chinese for that. It is the country of origin where the countries that are importing this stuff from China are the ones that are adulterating their products and bringing it very cheap to their country to sell to their people. But the Chinese themselves, they are using quality European and American standard products. So You cannot say because this Silver Crest is made in China is inferior to Ninja, which is made in US. That is what I can say in this video. But as you can see, these two blenders, Ninja, a lot of people believe that it's more of high quality, and if you compare the prices of these two blenders that you're seeing here, Ninja is more expensive. Some of these Ninja blenders cost between 70,000 to 250,000 per one. That is, I'm talking about in Naira. In my country, Nigeria, if you want to buy this blender, it's going to cost you nothing less than 70 to 250,000 Naira. But Silver Crest is going to cost you between 28 to 40,000 Naira. So, but some of the Ninjas blenders that you see, they also has food processors that you can use. It has diverse blending containers, unlike Silvercrest that has one. But recently, Silvercrest have manufactured doubled what is it called, double container also, that you can have two containers of this Silvercrest now. Unlike before, it's only one like this. But now, the new ones that are coming out now are two containers. One container is shorter than the one that you're seeing here. So it has two also. But like this, like Ninja blender, it has several containers, like 3, 4, 5, a whole lot of it that you can use. So it's actually a very vast blender than Silvercrest blender. That is the reason why it's more expensive. It is not that it is more powerful than Silvercrest, but it is multi-dimensional. You can use it to blend a lot of, yeah, they have a particular cup for crunchy things, like maybe you want to blend beans, you want to blend corn, other things that are hard. There is one particular cup that is for blending juice, that is for smoothies. There is one particular cup that you can even use to do pounded yam. It has a yam pounder. It has a whole lot of containers that you can use. That is why it is so expensive. It's not that it is more durable than Silvercrest. They are of the same quality when you want to talk about durability. I am saying it because if you get original Silvercrest, original one, I'm talking about the one that the indigenous of Chinese themselves are using in China themselves. If you can get those type and you bring it down, it's going to compete with this. When it comes to durability, it's going to compete with it. But when you fake it, the thing is that there are more fake, Silvercrest has more fake in the market than this Ninja. Hardly you see fake Ninjas in the market, but Silvercrest is more fake, because it is our people that are infiltrating the market of China to adulterate all these products. But it is not possible for them to do that with this product. That is the difference. So if you have the capacity to buy blender, if you have, if you can put a budget like 70,000 naira to 250,000 naira for a blender, you can go for this. But if you have a small budget, you can actually buy original Silvercrest, and it can still serve you as long as you want. So that is my advice. This is somebody was telling me the other day that you have been talking about Silvercrest. I want you to bring up another blender that we can look into and also go for. So that's why I decided to bring up this blender to compare with this. So when you buy original, this one that you're seeing here particularly, It's one of the best Ninja blenders. It's one of the best. And the one that you're seeing here, this is Silvercrest SC1589, is one of the best as well. The original, the first one that they started producing, this is it here. So these two can actually serve you. They can actually serve you. It actually depends on your capacity, your ability to afford this Ninja. If you are a big man and you want to buy a blender, if you want to buy a dimensional blender, you can actually go for Ninja, because you're going to spend like 70 to 250,000 naira on this. But with this, you can get it for 28,000 to 40,000 naira. But as I can tell you, at the time I'm making this video, the dollar to naira rate now is actually 570 naira per dollar. So the price of this Silvercrest will start going up rapidly from now till December. You can't buy Silvercrest less than 40,000 naira because the price is going up rapidly. So that is all I have in this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel and also be part of my community. I really appreciate your time watching this video tonight. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.